We are the Pruitts, and in 2019, we decided to leave the comfortable life we have grown to know and set sail for a once-in-a-lifetime family adventure to experience the unknown together. We hope to learn about ourselves and new cultures. We hope to find faraway places that we've always dreamt of and to give back to the communities that welcome us. We hope to make memories that will last a lifetime and grow closer together as a family in the process. Join our family, Hudson, Denver, Susan, and Clay, as we travel together and share our tales from a passport. All right, we're doing our first day of provisioning. We are here at Right Way, grabbing some groceries. What all did you get?
Same thing, Gatorade, chips, pickles, granola bars, hummus, macaroni, whipped cream.
Only the essentials?
Yes.
Now, Denver, I don't think we really have a freezer for ice cream, so if you get ice cream, be prepared to eat it. And the ice cream of choice is half-baked. Good choice. How's it going? What are you getting?
I got stuff for burgers, spaghetti, pork chops, salads, pastas. I know, we got a lot then. Stop filming.
There it is. There's all of it. Our first provision. We probably went a little overboard. Denver, did we go a little overboard?
Yes, some of this may have to go overboard.
So we've ended up spending quite a few days here at Nanny Key due to weather, which was okay because it gave us a chance to get the boat ready for sailing and to start preparing for life on the boat, while still having some of the conveniences of home, like, for instance, coffee. One of mine and Susan's favorite things to do back home. Start our morning off right with a cup of coffee while spending time with our friends. We may be missing our friends right now, but Rose at Island Roots was still able to hook us up with a great cup of coffee to get our morning started off on the right foot. Meanwhile, Susan and the boys are back at the boat, getting used to school outside the traditional school setting. It's probably going to take a while for everybody to get used to doing school this way. I mean, there's really not a set schedule anymore. It's more like trying to squeeze school in between all the activities we find ourselves doing throughout the day. For now, this is our life. Things are slowing down and we are taking it one day at a time. There are pros and there are cons. We have to be flexible. We have to be able to roll with the tides. We have to trust that today will bring us something new and something special that we wouldn't have the opportunity to know otherwise. As our time here at Nanny Key draws to an end, we're looking forward to setting sail tomorrow as we leave for Cooper Island. I mean, who knows what adventures the wind is going to blow our way. Alright, we're officially off. We've left Nanny Key Marina and on our way to Cooper Island. If all goes well, we should be grabbing a mooring ball within the next hour or so. Right now the winds are looking good, so hopefully we'll actually be able to have an opportunity to do a little sailing this morning. Alright, it's the moment of truth. We are safely out of the marina, and I think we're going to go ahead and try to put the sails out for the first time. Let's see how this goes. Wish us luck. Wow, well, that was work, but the sails are up and we are underway. We have around 15 to 20 knots of wind and moving at around 7 knots. That's exciting. I'm looking forward to seeing how the boat handles, and with any luck, we're on schedule to arrive at Cooper Island on time.
Dimmer, you look awful clean.
Yeah.
Oh,
I went to take a shower.
Hudson, hold on. Go ahead.
I used the soap and the hand dispenser to wash my hair and everything. And then when I was done, I used my shirt to dry off.